wow, what a bargain.
Yo, what up, crew? It is B-Feen here with the deal of the century 2024 Supercar Champion. You could be doing burnouts like this.
I wish I could do a burnout like that. One owner, only driven on weekends. You're coming home with me.
WTF?
Party's over, B-Feen!
Oh, God, mate.
Oh, wow. Oh, Lounsey.
Sorry, mate. On my way out.
Well, there she is.
Mate, that's nothing like the photos. I thought it was a 888 car, engineering excellence. I could get that from the junkyard.
Mate, that's exactly what the photo looks like.
In that condition, best I could give you 60 grand.
60? Man, it was 600 online. I'm going to do a great deal today. 200.
What about 70? And you throw in that 2024 Championship trophy.
Tell him he's dreaming. You'll never get one of these.
Let's do like that number. 87,000, 2 tickets to Bathurst, and a Red Bull fridge.
You drive a hard bargain, but I reckon we got a deal. Date, name, signature, and I'm taking my car.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Mate, that's ridiculous. Told you to sell the car, not give it away. You drive a hard bargain, don't you?
Try to.
I could actually use someone like you around here. Selling a few stickers.
Came here for a car, not to sell some stickers.
Forget about the car, mate. Car's done. I've got something better for you. How would you like to be the new sales manager?
Uncle Jamie, bruh, I've been working here as an intern forever. And I bloody brought this bloke here. When are you going to give me a go? What about him?
Maybe we can work something out.
Well, I'm in if he's in.
Actually, you might be able to learn a thing or two off each other. How about a 3-year deal?
Yes, that's a dub. Bonuses,
Yeah, mate.
appearance fees.
Settle down, mate. You've got the job.
At least a $5 grand airport fuel card.
I'll think about it.